Morning skincare superstars. Whether you're a kid heading to school or an adult rushing to work, we all want glowing skin that feels fresh and fabulous. And guess what? We're about to show you a super quick 5-minute morning skincare routine that's perfect for everyone, kids and adults. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your skin glow with just a few simple steps. And we'll even share some amazing bonus tips to make sure your skin stays happy all day long. Ready? Let's go. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Why? Because it removes all the dirt, sweat, and oils that build up overnight. For kids, look for a gentle cleanser that's fragrance-free and made for sensitive skin. For adults, try a cleanser that hydrates or gently exfoliates. Massage it onto your skin with circular motions and rinse with warm water. Now your skin is fresh and ready for the day. Benefits. Cleansing removes dirt and excess oil, allowing your skin to breathe and absorb products better. Step 2. Toning. Toners help balance your skin's natural pH levels, which is important after cleansing. For kids, choose a gentle, alcohol-free toner. For adults, opt for a toner with ingredients like witch hazel or hyaluronic acid to hydrate and refresh the skin. Lightly apply with a cotton pad or spritz it directly onto your face and feel the instant freshness. Benefits. Toner balances your skin, shrinks pores, and prepares it for moisturizing. Now, it's time to moisturize. No matter how old you are, moisturizing is key to keeping your skin soft and hydrated. For kids, go for a lightweight lotion with natural ingredients. For adults, a richer cream or gel-based moisturizer can give that extra boost, especially if your skin is dry or needs more hydration. Apply it all over your face and let your skin drink up that moisture. Benefits. Moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated, reduces dryness, and forms a barrier against environmental damage. Here comes the most important step: sunscreen. Did you know the sun's rays can damage your skin even on cloudy days? That's why sunscreen is a must, no matter your age. For kids, pick a sunscreen that's SPF 30 or higher, made for sensitive skin, and easy to apply. Adults should look for broad-spectrum SPF with extra hydration or anti-aging benefits. Apply it generously all over your face and make sure to cover your neck, ears, and anywhere the sun might touch. Benefits. Sunscreen protects against harmful UV rays, prevents sunburn, and reduces the risk of premature aging and skin cancer. Now, for some bonus tips to keep your skin glowing from the inside out. Tip number 1, drink plenty of water. Water keeps your skin hydrated and helps flush out toxins, which makes your skin look and feel great. Tip number 2, eat skin-friendly foods. Fruits like oranges, berries, and apples are packed with vitamins that keep your skin glowing naturally. So, sip some water and snack on healthy treats to boost your glow even more. Benefits. Hydration and a healthy diet. Support skin health from within, keeping it radiant and clear. And that's it. Your 5-minute skincare routine for all ages. Here's a quick recap. 1. Cleanse to remove dirt and oils. Second, tone to balance and refresh your skin. 3. Moisturize to keep your skin soft and smooth. Apply sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun. And don't forget to drink water and eat healthy snacks for an extra glow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun and easy beauty tips that anyone can enjoy. We'll be back soon with more ways to keep your skin glowing. Have an awesome day. And remember, healthy skin is happy skin. Want to make your skincare routine even more magical? Check out the amazing products we recommend for kids and adults, linked in the description below. From gentle cleansers to hydrating moisturizers and protective sunscreens, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking for something simple and natural for the little ones or a powerful skincare boost for grown-ups, these products will help you glow all day. Don't wait. Your perfect skincare routine is just a click away.